that I have this beautiful surface. It's a basket, and it has the lid. And if you need a lid for any basket, I'm gonna put the link of the person that cuts woods for me, and he can make any lid for any basket that you need. So this is it. We're gonna do the pour in here. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm gonna use for this pour, and I hope I have enough of the Quinacridone Violet because this is the last of it. And I love that color. That's the Quinacridone Violet. And that color, these colors, I'm going to take them from the tube. But this one I'm going to mix with these three colors. And it is Quinacridone Violet. And I'm going to mix with a little bit of Dioxazine Purple, which is almost out in here too. There. That's probably too much, but oh well. Dioxazine Purple. Then we're going to put a tiny bit of the Quinacridone Gold Hue. That's good. And a tiny bit of the Burnt Umber in there. Beautiful. That's the color that I want. So this is one of my colors. Then you're gonna take Dioxazine Purple, Quinacridone Magenta, Primary Magenta, Cadmium Red Hue, Vermillion Hue, and Cadmium Yellow Hue, and those are gonna come straight from the cup like that, from the tube like that. So here are the wonderful colors that we have for today. And remember, this was a mix. The other ones are straight from the tube. And we're gonna put the lubricant, which is Treadmill belt lubricant. It's an oil, it's silicone, and you can find the links and the description for all the products, including the name for the paints, on the description for the video. Just click where it says show more. I'm gonna use a 5 ounces cup, and I'm not gonna fill it completely. And I'm going to start with the white, and then from dark to light. Okay, so I have this surface, and I'm going to flick up. And I'm going to wait until it goes down. So I'm just going to put it in there. And now I'm not going to either wait to torch. I'm just going to torch right away. Let me just move it because I'm going to lose it while I bring the torch. Let's find a place to put it. Torch it one more time.